Hello YouTube world, thanks for tuning in. Today we have yet another video which involves stocks and bonds. Um, I picked this stock particular because I kind of found this different app that kind of allows you to use different methods and different indicators as far as like how the stock is going. But let's continue on. So we're going to do Broadcom, and I believe they do like AI stuff, and they're going for $3.90 and 24 cents a share. Now let's begin. Now we go down here and we look at, even though it's closed on Sunday, but this is kind of how you read it, right? So you go to the day's market, right, and it says that it is up 9.21%. And as I said to you before, man, I'm so sorry about the light, but this line right there is indicator of which way this stock could go. Hello, how's it going out there? And thanks for tuning in. But pretty much, to make a long story short, right, the buying power is right here, right underneath the 360, right below that. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Highly appreciate it. I'm no financial advisor, but I know a little something. But this is the buying power right here. You see the bullish, how it goes straight up. Now, a lot of times, people will wait to see what happens right here. But as I said in previous videos, this line that goes through the middle, it honestly jumps right back up for another profit. Oh yeah, no, just stocks and bonds, Honestly, I made a little mistake. Today is the day, right? But the buying power is right here. It's Sunday, and then it goes all the way up. My mistake. So for the rest of the week, I'm not exactly sure, but for the rest of the week, the buy and sell, right? This is the buying power honestly is right here, but people will sell pretty much right there. Right where that mark is, what is that? 339. And so right where this mark is, right there, people will begin to sell. And as you can see, because you want to take all the profit that you can, right? As you can see, it definitely takes a bull run, which means I believe it goes down, right? But when you look at the bullish, yeah, thanks for tuning in, Highly appreciate it. We can talk about a whole lot of things. But as you can see right here, the buying power again, and it goes all the way up. As you can see, another buying power right here takes it all the way up, This only consists of buying and sell, green and red. That's pretty much it, right? Even with the bad lighting, you see what I'm saying? Like, you can just look right here and see what it does. This whole area is in the red right here, right? And so what you do is you just be patient and then you wait, right? And when you wait, you look to see what happens right there. And that's the buying power. Hello again, and thanks for tuning in, y'all. Towards the end of this video, I'm gonna show y'all exactly pretty much what I was talking about, the difference between the graphs and day trading, right? So this is the buying power. Oh, come on, man. So this is the buying power right here, and it shoots all the way up. Just pay attention to this middle line. That's all you really gotta pay attention to. Oh, happy early birthday, Congratulations, happy early birthday. I hope it'll be one of your best birthdays ever. Even for the year, right? Let's take a look for the year, right? It kind of slows down a little bit, and it comes here. But all of this is profit, though. Everything that you see in this area is all profit. You see what I'm saying? So even if you had 50 cents to $1, $5, oh, congratulations, the 13th, right? Dang, that's like next week. That's good, that's what's up. And so the buying power is right here, right? And you want to take all this profit. Now, one thing that these guys want to tell you is that you made all that profit, but you still got to pay taxes. Don't let these guys fool you. You got to pay taxes on everything, right? So for the next 5 years, you see, all that green profit, it goes all the way through here, and it comes all the way back up. The bull run, right? Bullish in the bull run. Red is to sell, green is to buy, right? And all this down here is buying power, with the exception of this right here too. So let's take a look to see what the max is going to do, right? Even with the max, these are all predictions, but even with the max, it shows us that even if it's down here, the buying power, the people that's seeing it, is bringing it all the way up here past this mark. Oh, I got to get a better screen. But let me show you guys something that I've been meaning to show y'all for a while. I finally, let me see, where's it at? I finally found it. We got tilted sideways, but it's all good. Now let me see, hold on. This is the day trade thing I was telling you about. Now let me see, hold on. Let me see. Oh, it's not letting me, but it's all good. Now basically, this is day trading right here. You see that little dot right there? You see how that lines up? This is day trading, right? The stuff I was showing you guys, the stuff I was showing you guys, the little dot, this is the dot right there that I was telling you guys about. And you see all that green, red, green, red, green, red? If you was day trading, this would be the indicators, the candlesticks that people would use, right? Now, let's take a look for, now this should be for the year, right? Pull this down some, let's see, stretch it out. You see, this is what it says for the year, right? What's up, what's up, what's up? How's it going? You see what I'm saying? Now, when you pay attention to it, you see that green? This is the show right there. You see, that's the show right there that we want to look at. Because with that show, it's showing us and telling us, you see that? I would have bought this right here because of all that green. All that green. I definitely would have bought this right here, Even at the bottom part, this is day trading. When you see all those people do day trading. But I wanted to start off with you guys to show you guys the dot. The dot that, hold on. The dot that everybody was talking about. This is the dot. And this is more of a accurate read, because you can put it on 5 minutes, 10-minute readers. And at the same time, you're going to get this. Once I get my setup better, man, I'm going to really, really, really try to get into it, right? Now, this is for the overall, right? Remember that dot I was telling y'all on the other graph is very important, you see? Because now it went from green, then it went to red in a matter of 10 seconds. You see? So the more green you see, the better the buying power. The red you see right there is where you sell. And that's pretty much it. For sure, for sure. I would like to thank y'all for tuning in. Hopefully, I will make another video real soon. Until then, Keep on investing.